Welcome to episode 52. Mark, let me ask you a question. When you're talking about something, do you ever feel like you're using the same words over and over again?
Oh, absolutely, Sarah. It's so easy to fall into that trap, isn't it? It's like your brain goes on autopilot and you just default to the simplest words. It happens to native speakers too.
It really does. And one of the biggest culprits, the one we hear all the time from our listeners, is the word very. It's not a bad word, but it can make your English sound, well, a little bit basic.
Exactly. Think about it. When you say, I'm very hungry, it's fine. But when a native speaker says, I'm starving, you immediately get a much stronger, more vivid picture. It's more concise and much more expressive. Today, we're going to give you at least 7 powerful adjectives to help you do just that.
Let's start with a simple one. Instead of saying very big, what can we use?
My go-to words are enormous or huge. They just sound bigger, don't they? Example 1. That elephant was very big. That elephant was enormous. Example 2. I can't believe we're staying in a very big house. I can't believe we're staying in a huge house. Tip: think about how the single word gives you a stronger feeling of the size.
Our second one, instead of very hungry, what do you say after a long day?
Oh, I'm always starving. It's one of my favorite words. It's got that strong R sound. Example 1. I've been working all day. I'm very hungry. I've been working all day. I'm starving. Example 2. What's for dinner? I'm very hungry. What's for dinner? I'm starving. Tip: you can almost feel the hunger in the word itself. Use it with a bit of energy.
Next up, instead of very tired, a great word is exhausted.
This one is perfect for when you're truly, truly tired. Example: I ran a marathon. I'm very tired. I ran a marathon. I'm exhausted. Example 2. I had a long week at work and a terrible night's sleep, so I'm absolutely exhausted. Tip: remember the eggs sound. It's almost like you're letting out all your air.
For our fourth one, instead of very angry, you can say furious.
Furious is a great word for intense anger. Example 1, he was very angry when he found out the news about the canceled trip. He was furious when he found out the news. Example 2, my boss was very angry about the mistake on the report. My boss was furious about the mistake. Tip: try saying it with a bit of an angry face to help you remember the feeling.
Number 5, instead of very scared, a great word is terrified.
I love this one because you can feel the emotion. Example 1, I watched a horror movie last night and I was very scared. I watched a horror movie last night and I was terrified. Example 2, I was very scared to speak in public for the first time, but I did it. I was terrified to speak in public for the first time. Tip: terrified is perfect for fear that freezes you.
Next one, instead of very good, you can use so many words. What are some of your favorites, Mark?
Oh, there are so many. I like fantastic, excellent, or wonderful. Example 1. The food at that restaurant was very good. The food at that restaurant was fantastic. Example 2. That was a very good movie. That was an excellent movie. Tip: these are great for general positive feelings.
And for our seventh one, instead of very cold, you can say freezing.
We use this all the time, especially here in England. Example 1. It's very cold outside today, so wear a jacket. It's freezing outside today, so wear a jacket. Example 2. My hands are very cold after that walk in the snow. My hands are freezing. Tip: Freezing is stronger than cold, so use it when it's really, really cold.
See how much more descriptive and powerful those words are? By using these adjectives, you're not just speaking English, you're painting a more vivid picture with your words.
That's right, and it makes you sound more confident. The key is to start small. Don't try to replace every very right away. Just pick 2 or 3 of these new words and try to use them in your conversations this week. The more you use them, the more natural they'll become.
That's a wrap for this episode. Join us next time for episode 12. Stop saying, I think. 10 expert alternatives to express your opinion.
See you next time.